Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Somebody asking me to making the tutorial rice cake video, guys. So today I going to making rice cake. I going to use 500 gram of rice flour and 200 milliliter of coconut milk, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon vanilla, and 300 gram of sugar. I going to stir it first and boil the coconut until boiling, guys. Okay, it's boiling right now. I can do stir it first. Make sure in the bottom it doesn't stick. And leave it, wait until it's cooled down, guys. And right now I'm going to add tablespoon of dry yeast on the rice flour. And 200 milliliter of water. Mix it well first, guys. Okay, the coconut is cooled down already, so I'm going to stir it first. And I'm going to filter it and mix it with the rice flour. Going to mix it again. Mix it well first, guys. Okay, right now I'm going to add a tablespoon of food coloring. Mix it again. Mix it well first, guys. Okay, it's good enough. And right now cover it first and leave it for 2 hours, guys. And this is the result after leave it for 2 hours, guys. So turn bubble. I don't know what you guys call it, but I call it bubble. So I can to mix it first before steam it. So anyway, I can to put some oil on the container. I can to put it all over so it doesn't get stick, guys. Now I can to put all the rice flour on the container. I can to steam it. Right now I'm going to cover it and steam it for 35 minutes, guys. Okay, it's cooked already, guys. So I can take it out right now. I can slice it first, guys. Going to put it in the cutting board. I can slice it. I can cut it little square, guys. The rice cake is cooked perfectly, guys. It's very soft. Let me try first right now. The rice cakes have coconut taste on it. The sweet is not too sweet at all. Very perfect sweet, guys. Very soft, very fluffy, and it tastes really good, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Thank you, guys, and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.